Hello everyone, welcome to the Informatics channel. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you about Google online courses that are absolutely free. For some of the courses, Google even gives free certificate like digital marketing course. There are currently 136 courses at the moment that might increase by the time you will see this video. These courses are basically job oriented and are suitable for everyone, whether you are a fresher who is looking for a job or an experienced person who wants a better position in a company. You can do these courses irrespective of your age or gender. No education is required for these courses. You can do if your education is metric, intermediate, graduate, postgraduate, MPhil, PhD or any other education irrespective of your stream like science, arts, commerce, IT, medical, engineering or any other kind. In short, everyone can do these courses. Now let's start how to do these courses, how you will take exams, how you will get certificate, and I will also recommend you some of the courses that I personally feel are very valuable and everyone should take them. These courses are free at the moment, but Google can start charging anytime, so I will advise better do them now. Before I move on, if you are new to this channel or haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get automatic notification of upcoming videos. Okay, let's start it. Open this link in your browser www.learndigital.withgoogle.com/digital garage. Here you can see there are 136 courses available. The first one is digital marketing. Just to give you a brief intro of what is digital marketing, it is all about selling of goods and services online. Today's world is a digital world with nearly half of the global population online. With so many people using the internet, it makes sense for a business to tap into digital. With digital marketing, you can learn what opportunities are existing and how a website, videos or social media could help you reach your goals. So I would recommend this course and you will also get free certificate for this course. There are many categories of courses. You can find your relevant courses through filters. In filters, you can choose your course duration, course difficulty level, course whether your course is free or paid course, and there are some other options like course providers. Most of the courses are for 2 to 12 hours. You can study at your own pace. It's not necessary to complete one course in one go. When you feel you have learnt a lot, check your knowledge through quiz questions and then take final test. On this page there are 136 courses. Scroll down the page and go through all the courses and see what courses do you like. If you want to start a course, click on the blue arrow to proceed. If this is your first time on this page, you need to sign on this page. That you can do with your Google account, or you can sign up as a new user as well. After signing in, choose your course and you will see tutorial videos about your course. Watch these videos. Those are basically exclusive videos related to your course. Next course that I would recommend is speaking in public. I have also done this course and it's really amazing. It's only 1 hour course, but you will learn a lot after taking this 1 hour course. Moving on to the third course, it is improving communication skills. And on number 4 is English for career development. Number 5 is improve your soft skills. Number 6, fundamentals of graphic design. Number 7, successful negotiation, essential strategies and skills. These are all general courses that everyone should take irrespective of educational stream. Moving on to the career related courses, if you are from IT background, there are many courses like web developer, Android developer, search engine optimization, software development processes and methodologies, and there are many more. Just scroll down and choose courses that are relevant to your career. Dear friends, on this page you can also join webinars about different topics. If you want to learn something live, just register for a webinar and be ready to attend it on the day it is being held. So that is all about today. Our next video is about UK visit visa. As you might know, UK embassy is opening again from 27th July 2020, which was closed because of COVID-19 pandemics. If you have planned to visit UK, do watch that video. Alright friends, hope you liked this video. If you did, share it with your loved ones and don't forget to subscribe channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.